So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this gigabyte.com and you can see search here and then enter your model number which is you require the driver and then hit enter. Okay, and click on product and then click to HVS2 and then click to support. Select operating system because Windows 10, 11 both same. Chipset. So click to this Intel driver and just click to download. It will complete. Just double click to launch and then same folder and double click to setup. And then click to yes. Now it's come to installations and next to install and then click to finish.